Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a nice, great artist here on Growing Guitar, first time. And you could think his name is Rilès, but I actually believe he's French speaking, so I believe it's Rilès. And anyway, we have a beautiful song called I Put Myself in Big Trouble. Not only trouble, big troubles here. So let's go into this nice song here. And it's performed, if you look at the music video, it's performed with the capo set on 3rd fret. So we're gonna do exactly the same. That's the setup. And let's go over the 4 chords needed for this song. So we're gonna start with A minor. And that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have C next, so very easy transition. You just take the finger using there on the second G string. In my opinion, the best finger to use is that ring finger. You put it on the 3rd fret A string. Everything else is the same. And that gives you the C, okay? So very easy transition there. 3rd fret on A, 2nd on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next, and when you look at him playing, he just uses the bass strings. We don't use down here like we normally do for G chord. So that's the way he's playing. So 3rd fret on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. Open all the way down there, and then the final chord will be E. That goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, first G, open B, and open E. All right, so we will follow this chord progression through entire song, but we have one main strumming pattern we're gonna look at first. Then we have a bridge part. It happens about 1 minute and 54 seconds into the song. Maybe it's not the bridge part, but his switch up his strumming there a little bit for 2 rounds. We're gonna go into that later. First, the main strumming. So if we grab the first chord, A minor, we have a strumming pattern that looks like this. It's actually divided into 2 different parts. So the first part will be down, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up. And then the second part will be up, down, up. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, up. That is 1 round. A couple rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. It goes like this. So the chord progression now will be A minor, 1 full string around, C, 1 full string around, G, 1 full string around, then comes C, part 1, the down, down, up, and then E, part 1 again, the down, down, up. And that is 1 chord progression around. So A minor 1, C 1, G 1, C part 1, E part 1. Let's do that for a couple rounds. Flows very well there. It's almost hard to stop playing. However, let's go into the bridge part here that I mentioned. It happens about 1 minute and 54 seconds into the song. We're gonna follow the same chord progression like I mentioned. Now the strum is a little bit different. Okay, so we're gonna add in some claps there, a little bit more focus on the beat. So 1 full string around with A minor will sound like this. Okay, and this one is also divided into 2 different parts. So A minor, part 1, it will be like this. And that's it. It's all down, clap. And the second part will be up, up, clap, up. Okay, so if you combine the 2 parts, it will be down, clap, and then up, up, clap, up. Okay, so the chord progression now will be A minor 1, C1, G1. Then we have C, part 1 and E part 2. So a little bit different from the main pattern where you had the last two chords C, E, and E, part 1 on both these two chords. Here, during this part with the clap, this bridge part, so to speak, we have C part 1 and E part 2. So C will be down, clap, and then E up, up, clap, up. So it goes like this. And you're gonna play for 2 rounds, okay? So. Alright guys, so that is how I handle Rilès. I believe that's the pronunciation of his name. I put myself in big trouble. What kind of trouble? Yeah, you have to listen for it and perhaps play meanwhile. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. You know how. You're gonna subscribe to this channel, of course. If you haven't yet, then do that. Otherwise, like this tutorial if you think that's a good one, and hope to see you soon. Very, very soon. Till next time, play tuned.